Check it out, Libby DiBiase's back in the house. Paleo Nick here. We're going with another version of It's Not Gourmet Sis. All right, so we've got a couple chickens on the board here, and we're gonna be right back with
80 clove garlic chicken.
Up, 1 and up, 2, full extension. Up, there we go, 3 and up, nice. Okay, you guys, we got our chickens here. We're going face down on the cutting board, and we each have a knife. There's a lot of different ways to do this. You could just throw them right in the slow cooker and get rolling, but we're gonna have them, and then we're gonna sear them, and then we're gonna throw them in the slow cooker. So follow my lead. You ready?
Oh shoot.
Get through it. Just
how do
get
you
through
have
it.
the same
Come on.
line every time?
Same line. Just no, not over there.
Help!
There you go on top. Nice. Now we can open that up, and you can see right where the breastbone is. Just go as close to that as possible, right down the center, all the way through. From there, we're gonna do a little salt and pepper all the way. A little bit more salt here. Pepper. Want to go with a little, what do you call it, a swoosh?
A little swirl, swoosh.
Swirl in each pan for me. $3.98, oh baby. So then we're just gonna go season side down.
Why do we put the season side down?
We wanna sear that flavor into the skin. And then while this is up, we're gonna season this side. I'm pretty sure we got a good sear going. One way that you can tell is just by looking at the oil.
Like right in there?
Yeah, you see how there's a little bit of color in there?
Yeah, okay.
So let's go, I'm gonna have you flip these guys first. Oh, very nice. And then we're just going for that same level of searing on the other side before we throw them in the slow cooker in the crock.
So does it have to be cooked all the way through here before we put it in there?
No.
Okay.
Like I said in the beginning, you can just put them raw in there, but wouldn't you agree that this is gonna have more flavor than just throwing a raw chicken in there?
Yeah, and I also like the little more crispy on the
skin.
Yeah, skin.
Okay, guys, so we've cut the heat on these. We're gonna say that they're good and ready to go in here. I'll take the lid off. If you want to, I'm gonna take half of our garlic cloves. Right here, we got 80 cloves. Put half of them in the bottom. And then go ahead and set those in. Sear the skin side down. Yeah, just like that. Beautiful.
Another layer of garlic.
More garlic cloves.
And then skin down on top of that, or skin up?
Yeah,
okay.
Skin down. Why do you think we're doing that?
To keep the moisture in?
Yeah.
Was it right?
There's going to be a bunch of juice in here, and we don't want the part up top above the juice drying out. We want it to be down in the juice. From there, we've got 1 quart of chicken stock.
Okay.
That we made last night in the Culinary Ninja 101 class.
Awesome. Thanks,
great?
Ninja class.
Yeah. Pour one out for you guys, eh? And that's it right there, guys. Really simple. You could throw a couple bay leaves in there, maybe a cinnamon stick, whatever fits your fancy. Lid is on, good and tight. 10 hours on low.
Okay.
6 hours on high. Okay, so through the power of digital media, check this out. Oh, boom, dinner is served.
That
Check
was
that
fast.
out. Wow,
I like it.
Fabulous. Let's look at one of these.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, buttery, sweet goodness. Okay, so with this one, you guys, it's not super fancy. It's definitely not gourmet, sis. So let's bust out some containers and we'll divvy this up. Boom. Here we have it, guys. We've got 8 quarter chickens in their juice. We've got some nice, sweet, tender, soft garlic cloves in there. Look at that. Just the right amount of salt. Pair it up with some carbs of your choice. And what do we call it?
The 80 clove garlic chicken.
Nice. I'm Paleo Nick. This is Libby D from Blue Water Pilates. Check it out. We're doing what we can to help you. Keep it paleo.